Electrical engineering. 30 questions and answers. 1. What is electric current? Flow of electric charge. 2. What causes voltage? Potential difference between 2 points. 3. What does resistance oppose? Flow of current. 4. What is the relationship between voltage, current, resistance? Voltage equals current multiplied by resistance. 5. What happens to current if resistance increases with voltage constant? Current decreases. 6. What is power in electrical terms? Rate of energy transfer. 7. What is the unit of charge? Coulomb. 8. What is the unit of frequency? Hertz. 9. What is the difference between AC and DC? AC changes direction, DC flows one direction. 10. What does a capacitor do? Stores energy in electric field. 11. What does an inductor do? Stores energy in magnetic field. 12. What is a conductor? Material that allows easy flow of electrons. 13. What is an insulator? Material that resists flow of electrons. 14. What is a semiconductor? Material with conductivity between conductor and insulator. 15. What is the function of a diode? Allows current in one direction only. 16. What is the function of a transistor? Switches or amplifies signals. 17. What is Kirchhoff's current law? Sum of currents entering node equals sum leaving. 18. What is Kirchhoff's voltage law? Sum of voltage drops around closed loop equals 0. 19. What is a series circuit? Components connected end to end with one path. 20. What is a parallel circuit? Components connected across same 2 points with multiple paths. 21. What happens to total resistance in series? Total equals sum of individual resistances. 22. What happens to total resistance in parallel? Total is less than smallest resistor. 23. What is impedance? Total opposition to AC current including resistance and reactance. 24. What is reactance? Opposition from inductors and capacitors in AC. 25. What is the phase relationship in pure resistor? Voltage and current are in phase. 26. What is the phase relationship in pure inductor? Current lags voltage. 27. What is the phase relationship in pure capacitor? Current leads voltage. 28. What does a transformer do? Changes voltage using magnetic coupling. 29. What is electromagnetic induction? Voltage induced by changing magnetic field. 30. What is the purpose of grounding? Safety and reference point for voltage. If you like, please subscribe to our channel and like it. Thank you.